First lesson, relations and function. Exercise 1.4. The concept of exercise 1.4, vertical line test, horizontal line test and representation of function. First, vertical line test. Some graphs are given. For example, this is a graph. The given graph is function or not. Use vertical line test. Vertical line test means draw a, this is x-axis from this graph, x-axis, y-axis, curve is given, draw a vertical line. The vertical line intersects the curve at one point, the curve is, the graph is function, otherwise not a function. The first example, this graph not a function, because the vertical line intersects the curve at 2 points. The given graph is not a function. Then another example, graph, curve. The second graph is function or not. Check function or not. Draw a vertical line. Any side you draw, first quadrant or second quadrant or any quadrants, draw a vertical line. The vertical line intersects the curve at one point. But this graph is function. The second graph is function. Difference, first graph the vertical line intersects at 2 points, not a function. Second graph the vertical line intersects the graph at 1 point, it is function. Then second one, horizontal line. Horizontal line test. Draw the horizontal line. Graph is given. This one graph. Use horizontal line. Check the given graph is function or not. Draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line intersects the curve at 1 point. Then this side draw another horizontal line. Intersect the curve at 1 point. But the horizontal line intersects the curve at 1 point. The graph is function. Then one more graph. Another graph. Draw the horizontal line. The horizontal line intersects the curve at 1 point. It is function. But simply vertical line, draw the vertical line, the line intersects the curve at 1 point, the graph is function. Horizontal is same. Draw the horizontal line intersects the curve at 1 point, the graph is function. Next, representation of function. Functions are represented by first one, set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. Second one, table form. Table form. Third one, arrow diagram. Fourth one, graph. Functions are represented by first set of ordered pairs, second table, third arrow diagram, fourth one graph. First find the functional value. First find the function value. The values are represented by first set of ordered pairs. Then same values are represented in table. Ordered pairs, you know. The answers write in ordered pairs. Get ordered pair. Then table, draw table. First horizontal line x, second one f of x. Then fill the values, get the table. Arrow diagram, A set, B set. Then connect the values, get the arrow diagram. Then graph, draw the x-axis, y-axis, plot the points, get the graph. Example 1.11, page number 16. Let A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to set of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be two sets. Let f from a to b be a function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function first part by arrow diagram, second part in a table form, third part a set of ordered pairs, fourth part in a graphical form. A set and B sets are given. Given two sets. Solution given A set equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B set equal to set of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. One condition is given. F from A to B. F of x equal to 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. First, find the functional values. F of x equal to 3x minus 1. X values are taken from A set. That is, x equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. We first find f of 1 equal to replace x with 1. 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Then find f of 2. X value is taken from A set. 3 into 2 minus 1 equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5. F of 3 equal to 3 into 3 minus 1 3 3s are 9 9 minus 1 8. F of 4 3 into 4 minus 1 equal to 12 minus 1 11. By x value is 1 2 3 4. Then f of x values 2, 5, 8, 11. Functional values first find. Then the values are represented by first one by arrow diagram. First part arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. A circle A, then B. A set elements 1, 2, 3, 4. B set elements 2, 5, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Then 1, the corresponding value 2. 1 mapped to 2. 1, 2. Then 2, 5, 2, 5. 3, 8, 4, 11. This is the arrow diagram. Then first circle, write A elements, second circle, write B elements, then functional values are connected. Get arrow diagram. Second one, in a table form. Second part, table form. Table form. Draw a table. First value x, then f of x value. The x value 1, x value 1, f of x value 2. 1, 2. Then 2, 5. 3, 8. 3, 8. 4, 11. This is the table form. Then third one, ordered pairs. Third part, ordered pairs. Third part, set of ordered pairs. F represent function f equal to set of first ordered pair. This is the arrow diagram and write 1, 2. Answers write in ordered pairs 1, 2, then 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. This is the set of ordered pairs. Then fourth one, Graphical form. Graphical form. Graphical form. Draw the x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, then points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A value is right, here B value is right. B values 2, 5, 8, 11, 12. 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, etc. Then plot the points 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 8, 3, 8, 4, 11, 4, 11. Get the graph. But the functions are represented by first arrow diagram, second in a table form, third as ordered pairs, fourth one in graphical form. Exercise 1.4, question number 2, 3, homework.